model.
That's right. Here is a model. Here is a tree. And here is mushrooms. Cannot zoom in this mode. Mushrooms. So now, one of these techniques that the guy was talking about, it's called shooting from below. And now here we have a model over there. Here we have mushrooms. We're going to place the model right under the tree where the mushrooms are. And then we're going to try to go shoot the model from down.
Let's go.
Okay, the model is not very cooperative, so we have to do it very fast. Okay, model, step right in there. We have a flash. Maybe we use flash, maybe we don't use flash. And shooting from below. We need the model to be like right here. This is what you want to do. You're going to be like right here. And we're going up. No, we're going to be like right here. Lean on the tree right here. Perfect. And we have the mushrooms there. This lens is not very good because this is 50. You cannot do that. The flash is here. Now let's try. Point the flash upwards to shoot the mushrooms. All right, and you take one shot. All right, this is shooting from below technique. Now we need a Fisher lens, which is wide angle lens. We're gonna change it quickly just to produce this. All right, we changed the. Yes. Just a second. The model, it's not cooperating, so sometimes you have to feed them with fish or some steak. And now we have the lens 18 to 200. That would be perfect. And now, still not enough, so you have to go really down to shoot this. And that would be like super good shot. Now, this is a test shot for the flash. The flash does not work. Did it work? The flash is off. You turn on the flash. You make sure it's pointing. And now you have to go here, like below the model, so you can capture the mushrooms. Now, flash more on the model. Probably you have to boost the flash to the maximum to go all the way to the mushrooms. Right, the right angle, and then you have to go under the model. Wow, that would be something. Here it is. We need model, we need mushrooms, we need a tall tree. Okay, there's like too much light now on the model. We have to reduce. The flash position is good. We just have to reduce the flash power to 1/64 power output. Then we're going to talk about the settings of the camera. Now it did not work, the flash. The model is not here cooperating. All right, you get the point, you understand. We cannot show you pictures because the model is very hungry. Now,
It's not hungry, it's just too much, that's it.
the model
Let's
set
just enjoy the walk
without flash
yeah,
photography, exposure, composition tutorials, right? Now, what's the lesson of the model? What's the model lesson? What's the moral of the story here, people? You can never work with hungry models. First you have to feed them. You have to feed them. You have to water them like plants, like a little flowers. You have to take care of them first so they don't become beachy models. Beachy models, it's models that like to take pictures on the beach. All right, that's it. You cannot work with beachy models. You can only work with beach models, that's all.